So good afternoon everybody. Today I would like to a little bit talk about my project, which I choose economic of a selected sports club, which deals with managing and functioning of the hockey club in terms of theory, also of the practice. So my theoretical part is focused on defining the strategy of the management as a necessary part of well-performing enterprises. And then the practical part contains the thorough financial analysis situation of the ice hockey club HCC Řitřinec. Alright, the aim of my project is to analyze what are the sources of funding and where they arise, and what is the level of structure of the players' salaries. Then I need to say the product of sports club is a sports event or events. So again, I need to say the product of sports club, the product is a sports event or events. And we also, in our big project, need to considering the marketing and sponsorship, because the marketing plays a big role in our successful financial term, and it's the biggest one of the biggest role. And the marketing is focused on the clients, it's focused on the services and goods, and then we also have some advertising. Another thing which I want to mention, that it's very important to have a long-term strategic business plans. And what I mean is to have a long-term, because we have a long-term contracts with the players, for example, and then we have a securing budget for the season as well. So we need to mention those things. And the methods and techniques of strategy management includes financial analysis, theoretical values, benchmarking, resource analysis and competence of the organization. SWOT analysis is very important, which I have in my work and project on the page. Best analysis and balance scorecard, and we have also space methodology which we use, and target consistent. Our goal, we consider 3 main goals, and it's sport goals. We have also sport goals. We have also economic goals, and I consider some social goals as well. But the main thing is a successful economic leadership for all the years which we running the club. And I would like to mention the next thing, which for my club is very important, which is the sponsorship and sports advertising. So in my town we have a hockey arena, which is an hockey club, which is HCC Řitřinec, and for us it's sport advertising can be used as a different functions which we can use, and the sponsorship can be as an information part, persuasion as well, remind about our sports events, and sponsors. The sponsorship we can see and advertise on the players' t-shirts, it can be advertised on the boards, sports equipment advertising as well, and then the advertising on the scoreboards and indicators, advertising on the tickets, posters with the program, advertising on the billboards. We can use the internet a lot, Facebook pages, Twitter, our local websites, and then we have also the media as well. And the methodology of a player's evaluation is also very important. We need to be considered, and then everything is basically showing the SWOT analysis, the strength, weakness points and opportunities and traits in my project. So we have economic goals, which is to finish the season with a balanced budget, and we also want to keep our sponsors. We would like to increase and a little bit expand our financial resources with the new sponsors as well, and then we want to increase sales tickets. And what I will say next, the key milestones being considered in my project, and you can see that we have a project schedule and we're trying to estimate the project competition and then current development backlog. And I think that's all for today, which I will mention. So everything is been done. We have a couple of goals, long-term goals, medium goals, and short-term goals. We have a big team which is taking care. We have a supervisor, manager, supervisors, and the project is gonna be evaluated at the end of the year when the season will be finished. Thank you.